Welcome to another video for NestedFlow Automation training. This is the fifth video in the series. In this session, we will understand how to invoke the tool in a command line mode. Why do you need to invoke a script in command line? Suppose you want to implement the test automation in a CI/CD engine, or you have to execute it on a server in which or a VDI machine which is unattended. So in that case, you would require a capability using which you should be able to automatically open the tool, execute the script. So there are two ways in which you can do that. You have to navigate to the location where the uh, nested flow automation is installed. This script what we have here is ckmfishby.xml. So I will call the main exe nested flow app.exe, and I will give the script name. If I call it this way, the tool will open, another instance of the tool will open, it will execute the script and it will exit. Let's see how it works. So as you can see here, the tool is opening. It will auto load the script. It will auto execute also. So as you can see, the script execution just completed, and now once the script is successfully updated, the tool instance will close itself. I will close this opened instance so that you can visualize it in a better way. So let me now open the command prompt and I will re-trigger the same command. You can see that the tool opens, script is loaded, script is now executed. Now the extent report is getting generated for the script, and once the report is generated, it is exited. That's it. So this is a very easy way of calling it through the command line. There is one more option in which you can call it, which is the toolless execution. That is, this is a lightweight tool which can be used only to execute already built script. So I will call this exe file. I will pass the same parameter here. This will not invoke the tool, but it will do the same action. You can see that it is doing the same thing. It is opening the browser and performing the same kind of actions. So this is a headless tool. That is the UI less execution of the script that we have just done. So you can see that the script has completed successfully, and it is also displaying the log file. So this is the log file of the execution. So this is the easiest tool, which is lightweight and which can be deployed on any CI/CD executions. Now let us see how the tool is able to execute a script that is on GitHub. Let me open GitHub here. I think I can use this script. Let's see what it does. AI scenario Magento. Let me open the main tool. There is an option to import the tool using GitHub. Import the script using GitHub. So import from GitHub. I will use this option to download the script. AI scenario. Now the owner of the repo is NestedFlow Automation. Repository name is NestedFlow repo. Branch name is most probably main. Let's see. What is the branch here? Main. File name is sample scripts slash the script name. I will use the get link. You can see this is the link. I will click on OK. This action will import the script. Let me execute this, and I will also copy this URL. Let's execute this to understand how it will uh, perform the actions. It will open a demo site using Chrome, and it will perform some search operations, and it will buy that t-shirt. It is now completing the checkout operation. And it is closing. So this is a again a simple web automation script. I have copied the URL which is provided by the GitHub by clicking the C button, small C button here. Let me call the same thing using command line tool. So this is how you can directly call a script which is hosted in the GitHub. So I will call the exe with the github script path, and this will work only with the command line tool. This github notation will not work with the main tool. You can see that it is directly downloading the script from GitHub. It is performing the same operations. So this feature will be very useful when you are storing the scripts in GitHub. Most of the organizations do use GitHub. So this feature will enable you to directly integrate the CI/CD engine with the script that is stored in the GitHub. So this is how we can use the command line tool. Thank you for attending the session.